Hey guys, it's me, Inazuma Illusion here, and today I'm going to be doing a quick video of, I'm just going to be battling against big team Australia's Big Waves from Inazuma 11-3 Bomb Blast. So that's these two are my forward, Gazelle and Axel, my midfield Nathan, Jude and Stonewall, and at the bottom my defense is basically Kane, Thor, Hawkins, Jack, Banyan, and Mark in goal. So that's pretty much it. I'm only showing this top screen as that's where the battles take place. So that's the Big Waves team. So yeah, they're pretty awesome. So yeah, let's get on with the battle. So I get to start. Pass back. Oh, pass it to the other team by accident. And come on, Jack. And the wall. Yeah, I won. So here we go. Epic. So I'm standing Hawkins up. And Gazelle's gonna strike with Northern Impact. So epic move. Now what's the goalkeeper gonna use? And the goalkeeper used Barrier Reef. And I don't think he's gonna save it. And I was correct. Yay, scored the first goal. So it's now 1-0 to me. So I'm gonna skip the replay because you guys don't really want to see it. Sorry guys, you can't see both screens. I think it's just best for you guys to see the bottom screen. Now I don't want to check out anything. So let's carry on. I'm gonna try and get my Axel to. Oh, Axel's gonna try and get the ball off of him, and he does. So I'm losing Stonewall. And let's see if we can get past the defense. No, and he loses Land of Ice. Okay, Land of Ice, pretty awesome move. Now my Banyan's gonna come in with Whirlwind Force. Oh no, and he uses Water Veil. So here we go. My team is only like a level 50, around that. Oh, and I missed it. Let's see, they're gonna strike. They're probably gonna use Megalodon. Oh no, I wasted a God catch. Oh wow. But this move is epic anyway. Oh, epicness. So yeah. So Mark catches it. Pretty easy catch. And Flurry Dash. So yeah. Oh, I'm gonna get the ball back of the defender. Yes. I'm gonna get Nathan to strike. And Whirlwind drop. Oh, and I score again. So the score is now 2-0. So there's not much time left in the first half. I'm only going to do this first half. I'm going to put it in part 2 and part 1. Just so that the video is not too long for you guys. So yeah, here we go. So sending Axel up. So is Jude. I'm going to get Stonewall to get the ball. Oh no. And, and Whale Guard. I find this is like the really funny move. It's like a really funny defensive move, because where does like the whale come from? Oh, and it eats him. That's just totally, like, awesome. So I'm not going to score, but let's just mess about. See if I can get to the goal. Oh. And I didn't get to the goal, but that was a pretty interesting first half. So the score is now 2-0 to my team, which is obviously Inazuma National. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. That's going to be the end of the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. That's it for now, guys. Inazuma Illusion out.